In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo in Smartsheet. Whether you want to personalize your workspace or reflect your company's branding, updating your logo in Smartsheet is a straightforward process. Let's walk through this together. To begin, you'll need to log into Smartsheet. Make sure you're signed in as a system administrator, as this will give you the necessary permissions to make changes to the account branding settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile icon, which you will find in the bottom left corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with several options for navigating through your profile settings and other administrative tools. Next, you'll want to head over to the Admin Center. This is your hub for managing various aspects of the Smartsheet account. Inside the Admin Center, you'll notice a range of options, but your target is the Branding and Personalization section. Go ahead and scroll down until you find this section. This is where you can implement changes that will reflect across your account for a more customized user experience. Once you've located the Branding and Personalization section, look for the Account Logo option. This is the feature that allows you to update your company or personal logo. Click on Account Logo and you'll be taken to another screen where you can upload a new image. From here, a button labeled Select will let you choose the logo file from your computer. Clicking on Select will open your File Explorer or Finder, depending on whether you're using a PC or Mac. Here's a helpful tip. When selecting your new logo file, try to pick an image that is a PNG, JPG, or GIF format for the best compatibility. Browse your files until you find the image you're looking to upload. Once you have selected the file you wish to use, simply confirm your choice. At this point, the image should upload, but before the changes take effect, you'll need to ensure that everything is saved correctly. So, as a final step, make sure to click the Save button. This will apply your new logo and update the branding across your Smartsheet account. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the logo for your Smartsheet account. By following these steps, you can easily customize your workspace to better suit your personal or business needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials to make the most out of your Smartsheet experience.